Welcome back, everyone. Killer NC here, back with another KODI build. And this is going to be the second episode of the best builds for 2018. So if you missed the first one, I'll have a link in the description. Go ahead and check it out. That is another awesome build. But today I'm bringing you the Tomb Raider. Now this build both looks good and it is good. And you guys are going to see. Let's go ahead and show you a couple of the things that you're able to do. And then if you're interested, like always, I'll show you how to get this build. First, let's go ahead and start with movies. Now, if you can see, just like the previous build, if you press up, you'll be able to get some thumbnails of the most popular movies, since this is the movie section. And of course, the first one is The Last Jedi. And then it goes on to the Blade Runner, so the newest movies, okay? And you just keep going to the right and it'll just keep populating more thumbnails. All right, so let's go ahead, and below it, some of the add-ons that you get are Sky Movies. Probably gonna chop this up, but Elysium, Covenant, of course, Placenta Movies, Poseidon Movies, DeLorean Movies, Specto, Myriad, Save House, and Golden Cinema. All right, so let's go ahead and check out, see which one's the default. Okay, so it's Covenant, and let's just go ahead and start with in theaters. And of course, the first one's Bright. If you guys didn't watch my last video, this one's available free in Netflix. So if you have the Netflix subscription, you can go ahead and watch that through Netflix. If you don't, here it is. And then we go on, Star Wars, The Last Jedi. And, all the newest ones, Jumanji, Justice League, awesome movie. Blade Runner, the Pitch Perfect 3, if that's your thing. It, scary ass movie. Coco, okay? You guys know every movie that's out there. So let's go ahead and get back out of there. I want to make this video a little shorter. Don't want to spend too much of your time. So moving on, we have live TV, and the add-ons are Adrian's List, IPTV Bonanza, FTFA, UK Turk Live, Maverick IPTV, iPlayer WWW, and iTV. And it does not have any thumbnails right now, but let's go ahead and go into it. All right, so then here are the channels that we get. Get your BBC, your Sky channels. You got your Disney, Nickelodeon, and that's from the pyramid. Let's see what we have here. I haven't really played around a lot with the live TV, but all right. So we have catch-up TV, live sports, stand-up comedy, the TV box sets, adult versions of kids TV. Okay, sounds kind of freaky. Bloopers TV, natural disasters, pranks, got some fishing, and webcam. So let's go ahead, let's click on catch up TV. Okay, so if you missed any of them, here we go. We got Marbles Runaways. So it's pretty much all the episodes that aired today, in case you missed them. Okay, you missed The Bachelor, there you go. There you got your Lucifer. All right, you guys get the idea. So let's go ahead and back out of this. Moving on, we got the pyramid. Some of the add-ons are DocuZone for your documentaries, kids, sports, movie, TV, KODI, music, and webcam. So let's go ahead into the sports zone. You got your live sport channels. See if there's anything playing. Okay, and then you have all your Sky Sports. Got your racing, see what else. Got your Fox Sports 1, 2. Now I got in trouble with YouTube for playing content, so I won't click into them. Got your NBA, WWE. Got your Pac-12. All right. Moving on. Cerebro. Got IPTV, Showbox, Strictly HD, TV Heaven, Vidic Player. All right, let's go into Showbox real quick. All right, got your movies, TV shows, latest TV episodes, latest movies. Let's go into the TV shows menu. All right, we can go into, let's go to popular TV shows. And here we have the popular TV shows. We have The Vikings, Game of Thrones. What else is good around here? The Walking Dead, The Punisher, Shield, Flash. All right. Supernatural. Great show. Moving on. Top add-ons. So these are going to be your top add-ons. UK Turk, very popular add-on. Not Sure, not familiar with that one. Rising Tides, Goodfellas, IASIS, Kryptic, Supremacy, Skynet, Quantum, Bob, Picasso, Release Hub, Nemesis, Project M, Wolfpack, White Devil, Hollow TV, and C Cloud TV. All right, let's go into C Cloud TV, one of my faves. We'll go into all channels. This is pretty much the go-to for live TV. And here we go. We got A&E in all alphabetical order. AMC, Animal Planet, CBS, Comedy Central, Cops, Discovery Channel, ESPN, Fox. All right, you guys get it. Then we got Sport, and the add-ons are Pro Sport, Sports Devil, of course, Boxing Hits, Sub-Zero, Project D, Revved Up, Follow, Motor Replays, NBA Full Games. All right, so let's go into Pro Sport. And here we have our games. Pretty much only follow NFL, and I know there's no games out there. Let's try NBA, see if something's happening. Here we go. All right, so we got a couple NBA games in progress and some that were already completed. Moving on, we got your live sports, and it's pretty much the same add-ons, so won't spend too much time there. We have the Kid Zone, and we have SpongeBob, Paratoons, Digimon, Kids, Brutus Anime, Super Cartoons, Toon Mania, and Kids Tube. Let's go in here real quick. And let's see what we have here. All right, let's click on, we got some Tom and Jerry down there, classics. Let's click on Kids Movies here. All right, and then in alphabetical order, you get all the movies. All right. Document Zone, so that's pretty much documentaries. Not a big documentary guy, so we'll keep moving on. And we have our favorites, top 10s movies, extended info, YouTube. Got your music. Got your adult zone for you freaks out there. Hey. Got your add-ons, and this is going to show you all your video add-ons if you want to go in and see what you have. Got your tools, so you can build updates, get your weather, maintenance, and then you guys know your settings and your power. And then last but not least, we have our TV shows, and we have networks, Elysium, Covenant, Placenta, Poseidon, DeLorean, Spectre, and Myriad. Pretty much the same ones as movies. Go ahead and go into TV shows real quick, and let's do most popular. All right, and it's just like the other add-ons. Here goes the most popular TV shows. Okay, so like I said, looks pretty good, is pretty good. Now, if you're interested, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So first, we're going to go into Settings, File Manager. We're going to add a source, and this is the source that you're going to add, http:// repo zip.teamzt.seedr.io. Now, if you guys watched my previous build, you're going to be familiar with this URL. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just name it. We'll name it TeamZT. Okay, once you're done with that, back out. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Add-ons. Install from zip file. Go ahead and find it. And you're going to click on repository.zt-2.0 zip. Go ahead and wait for the confirmation. There we go. Zero tolerance repository. Once that's done, go ahead and click on install from repository. And we're going to go ahead and find the zero tolerance. Okay. Once you find that, go into program add-ons. Click on ZT the wizard. Go ahead and enable it. Once you install it, go ahead and it should auto open. And you'll go into Builds. Scroll down and look for, oops. All right. Scroll down and you have two choices. You can get Tomb Raider without the adult content or Tomb Raider adult with all the adult contents, obviously. So once you go ahead and pick one, let's just select this one for now. I would suggest you do a fresh install if you have another build already. That way you don't get any kind of issues and compatibility issues. So if you have a build, go ahead and click fresh install. It'll remove everything and then come back and go to standard install. All right. Once you do that, it might take a minute depending on your internet connection, but then it'll tell you to force close. If you're on a PC, it force close. And if you're on a Amazon Fire TV, which is what I use mostly, go ahead in the bag, unplug the power cable, leave it unplugged for about 5-10 seconds, then plug it back, and you should be good to go and be able to enjoy this build. All right, as I stated, I'm going to have a link to my previous video if you guys want to check out that build. I'm also going to have links to Amazon Fire TV. That's what I pretty much use. I have 3 or 4 around the house. So if you are going to purchase one, I would appreciate if you use the link that I have in the description. That way I get a little kickback from Amazon, which will help me continue to keep making these videos for you guys. All right. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification so you're notified when I release another KODI Build video. And I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.